Welcome to CROappella III. Yesterday we had a great time on day 0, hanging out on a boat, but today it's getting serious. Deke is here, Sven is here, Bass Ventura is busy with the beatboxers. And all the participants are so talented. This is just pure a cappella awesomeness.
Saturday morning, I could hear my mama snoring, but a song was coming up from the kitchen.
It's been absolutely amazing. A feeling of just mutual uplifting that happens. It was just absolutely amazing. The education being at the core was just fantastic.
There was some plastic there spinning, and my daddy was a grinning, and the music took us all away. I said, hey, daddy, what is a jukebox? I'm dancing out of my...
Genuinely, 2 hours ago, happiest I've ever been in my life. I broke down crying to my mum on the pier. Sunset, beatboxing, a massive cathedral, a cappella, it's all my favourite things combined. It's been one of the best experiences of my life.
Got me rolling as it rocks. I feel it in my feet, feel it in my feet.
I mean, we've done a lot of a cappella shows, but never have we done it outside of church like this. It was honestly one-of-a-kind experience. So we're so grateful to CROappella and everyone who's organised it. So thank you for inviting us.
If we get one word to sum up the whole weekend,
I just say unreal, unforgettable.
I'd say satisfying, because being, around everyone who enjoys it just as much as we do, because we're all nerds about it, and everyone else is, and it was just so nice to share that love with everyone that was here.
Daddy, what is a boombox? I'm dancing out on my new...
CROappella III is done, and it is already such a young festival, but one of Europe's and frankly the world's greatest a cappella festivals. There were maybe 100 people here, but their lives were transformed. The singing, the music, the concerts, the acoustic moments, the giant stage performance where this entire plaza was full of singers. The fact that the whole festival started with everybody going out on a boat ride, singing for each other, breaking down the walls. So much about this is done right, and AKA Crescendo, basically the pentatonics of Croatia. They are such a talented group, but they are warm-hearted people who know how to educate, they know how to create a great event, and I do truly believe that this festival each year is just going to grow like wildfire and continue to change lives. It's an honor to be here.